Introducing the new Huawei P50 Pro with a new level of speed and power with the latest upcoming Kirin chipset. The new innovative and stunning design will fill every requirement that Huawei fans are waiting for a long time. Exploring future flagship smartphone, the Huawei P50 Pro with phone specifications, features, design, price and release date. Please watch full video content. Huawei P50 Pro with gloss front and ceramic frame. Certified IP68 dust water resistant. Advanced OLED panel with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. .69" full screen display. Resolution 1200 by 2640 pixels. Featured HDR10 Plus and always on display. X60 5G modem connectivity. Operating system Android 11 with Google Play services. Think positive. US-China war will be ended. With the latest chipset Kirin 1020 and advanced graphics accelerator. 16 GB of RAM and 512 1 TB of storage with UFS 3.1. 108 megapixels penta lens camera, LED flash. .48 megapixel under display front camera. Infrared face recognition. USB 3.1 Type-C and fast under-display optical fingerprint scanner. Fast battery charging 65 watts and fast wireless charging 50 watts. Fast reverse wireless charging 40 watts and 5000 mAh long-lasting battery. Expected price $2,000 US. Smartphone is expected to release in June 2021. Huawei P50 Pro with total excitement.